Hello everyone. Are you tired of applying expensive creams and serums to fade your freckles only to find that they come back after a few months? Today I am going to show you how to make a natural carrot mask that will help in fading your freckles permanently. This homemade treatment is much more effective than any store-bought product because it is made with all natural ingredients that are free of harsh chemicals, parabens, and other toxins. In this video, I will also explain why carrots are so effective for getting rid of freckles. So if you want to learn how to get rid of freckles for good, then stay tuned till the end of this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's start with an amazing and super effective carrot face mask for removing freckles. For this face mask, you will need ½ teaspoon of freshly grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of cream or milk, and ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. First, grate half of a medium-sized carrot. You can use a box grater or the grater attachment of your food processor. Then add the grated carrot into a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and mix well. Raw honey has antibacterial properties and antioxidants which help in skin rejuvenation, and also it helps in fading scars and getting rid of freckles. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream or milk into the mixture and stir well. Milk and cream contains lactic acid which brightens the skin tone and evens out the skin complexion. It also works as a bleaching agent and removes freckles by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin coloration. Lastly, add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder into the mixture and mix well. Turmeric has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It has anti-inflammatory agents which reduces redness and puffiness on the skin caused due to sun exposure. The active compound curcumin in turmeric also inhibits the production of tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for the production of melanin. By reducing the activity of this enzyme, turmeric helps in lightening the skin and getting rid of freckles and blemishes. So now our natural carrot face mask is ready. Take a cotton swab and apply this face mask on your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy once a week for a month and you will see significant reduction in the size and darkness of your freckles. The next remedy is carrot juice. Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A which plays a very important role in skin health. Beta-carotene acts as an antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radical damage to the skin cells results in inflammation and production of melanin, leading to the development of freckles. So by protecting the skin from free radicals, carrot juice helps in preventing the formation of new freckles and also in lightening the existing ones. To use carrot juice as a treatment for freckles, simply take a small carrot, wash it thoroughly, cut it into pieces, and extract the juice with the help of a juicer or a blender. You should get around 1 to 2 tablespoons of carrot juice. Now take a cotton ball and apply this carrot juice on your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy once a day for a month and you will notice significant improvement in the appearance of your freckles. Let's move on to another powerful remedy, carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is a vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the Daucus carota plant. This oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids, which makes it an excellent choice for skincare. Antioxidants in carrot seed oil protect the skin from environmental stressors and UV radiation, which helps in fading freckles and preventing their future occurrence. Additionally, the high concentration of vitamin A in carrot seed oil promotes healthy cell turnover, revealing brighter and more even-toned skin. To use carrot seed oil for freckles, you can either use it topically or orally. Topically, it means applying the oil directly onto your skin. Just take a few drops of carrot seed oil and massage it gently onto your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. If you have dry skin, then you can use this oil as a moisturizer. Orally, it means consuming the oil by mouth. In this method, you need to take 1 teaspoon of carrot seed oil along with a glass of water or milk. Follow either of these methods once a day for a month and you will notice a significant change in the appearance of your freckles. Now let's move on to the fourth remedy, carrot face scrub. This is a gentle exfoliating scrub that not only helps in fading freckles, but also brightens the skin tone and gives you a flawless complexion. To make this face scrub, you will need ½ teaspoon of freshly grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of raw honey and few mint leaves. First, grate half of a medium-sized carrot and then add it into a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Sugar acts as an exfoliant which removes the dead skin cells and reveals brighter skin underneath. It also helps in lightening the skin tone and fading freckles when used regularly. Next, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and mix well. Lastly, chop few mint leaves and add them into the mixture and stir well. Mint has cooling and soothing properties which helps in reducing inflammation and redness on the skin. It also has antioxidants which protect the skin from environmental damage and helps in maintaining an even skin tone. Now our carrot face scrub is ready. Take a cotton swab and apply this face scrub on your face and neck in a circular motion. Gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes to remove the dead skin cells and unclog the pores. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face with a clean towel. Follow this remedy once a week for a month and you will see a noticeable improvement in the appearance of your freckles. The last remedy is carrot and almond oil pack. This is a nourishing and moisturizing pack that helps in hydrating the skin and fading freckles. Almonds contain vitamin E, which protects the skin from sun damage and helps in reducing the appearance of freckles. To make this pack, you will need 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated carrot, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and few drops of water. In a mixing bowl, combine all these ingredients and mix well. Now our carrot and almond oil pack is ready. Take a cotton swab and apply this pack on your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with cold water. Follow this remedy twice a week for a month and you will notice a significant improvement in the texture and tone of your skin. Apart from using these remedies, you should also take some precautions to get rid of freckles permanently. First, avoid excess sun exposure. Stay indoors during peak sun hours and cover up with protective clothing and sunscreen when outdoors. UV radiation from the sun is the primary cause of freckles, so protecting yourself from the sun is essential in fading and preventing freckles. Second, wear sunscreen daily. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. This will help in reducing the production of melanin and preventing the formation of new freckles. Third, increase vitamin C intake. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps in fighting free radicals and protecting the skin from sun damage. Include vitamin C-rich foods such as oranges, strawberries, and broccoli into your diet. You can also take vitamin C supplements after consulting your healthcare provider. Fourth, increase vitamin E intake. Vitamin E also acts as an antioxidant and helps in maintaining healthy skin cells. Good sources of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. You can also apply vitamin E topically to your skin to help fade freckles. Fifth, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin healthy and prevent dryness. Dehydrated skin can look dull and lifeless, which can make freckles more prominent. Lastly, quit smoking. Smoking reduces blood flow to the skin, which can make freckles worse. It also accelerates skin aging and damages the skin cells. So quitting smoking will not only help in getting rid of freckles, but will also improve your overall health. So these were the 5 best natural ways to fade freckles using carrots. Along with these treatments, you should also make some lifestyle changes to get rid of freckles permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below which remedy you like the most. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay healthy and beautiful.